skiing, snowboarding, and luge. All of these are extreme winter sports that can very quickly turn into fatal disasters. Here are some of the most devastating accidents in human history, and things only keep getting worse. It's March 25th, 2021, and Daniel Andre Tane is competing in the 2021 FIS Ski Jumping World Cup, an extremely dangerous activity that involves launching yourself off of a steep ramp to jump as far as possible. Daniel is no beginner at the sport, since he already won the Olympic gold medal in 2018. But even for pro athletes like him, the smallest mistake can quickly turn fatal. During his warm-up round, Daniel launches himself off the ramp, and he reaches a speed of around 62 miles per hour. But just a few seconds after takeoff, something goes incredibly wrong. He loses control in midair and starts spinning, and as quickly as he shot up, he crashes to the ground at enormous speeds. He lands on his back and slides down the slope for approximately 650 feet. The harsh impact results in a broken collarbone, a punctured lung, and severe trauma. He's unconscious.